guys, may unboxing tayo ngayon guys. Tingnan nyo naman, ayan. Galing siya sa Urban Planet guys. Damakmak na damit guys. Napakamura na bili kaya naparami. Pero tingnan nyo yung unboxing at tingnan nyo yung mga damit na nakuha namin. Tingnan natin kung good o hindi. Abangan nyo lang. Okay guys, punit-punit na tayo dito guys kasi bubuksan na natin. Hindi siya unboxing guys, unplasticking guys. Kasi nasa plastic siya. Wow! Wow! Unang hole guys. Ano yun? End mo na yung video. Unang hole guys. Tignan natin kung ano to guys. Wala akong idea sa mga nandito guys kasi pinili lang to. Hindi ko alam kung meron akong para sa akin o wala. Pero tingnan natin guys. Oh, mukhang maliit. Hindi sa... Oy, XXL. Kanino to? Bakit ang liit, guys?
Sa'yo yan?
Sa akin ata to, guys. Pero tingnan natin.
Hindi naman maliit yun eh.
Hindi to. Tingnan natin, guys, kung kakasya siya mamaya. Pero ito yung una, guys. Akin daw. Next hole. Ano kaya to, guys? Pants. It's a type of pants. Again, galing tong Urban Planet, guys. Uy! Saan ba ito?
Sa akin?
Sure ka?
Oo.
Pants guys, para siyang hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dyan guys. Pero pants na puti, mukhang goods guys. Third hole ha guys, third hole. Tingnan natin kung ano to, mukhang sweater, long sleeve, some type of shirt. Uy, long sleeve siya guys. Yan, plain lang, alam niyo naman, tayong mga style dyan. Small ang size, but it looks big. Yung XXL kanina guys, mukha naman maliit.
Sa akin yan.
Fourth hole guys, mukhang katulad to nung kanina, pero tingnan natin. Mukhang katulad to nung kanina guys ha, pero alam ko yung iba dito, pang regalo namin eh, kaya baka mayroong may pare-pareho dito. Ayan, yeah.
Same size ba nung kanina?
Looks a little the same as the other one, pero ito large lang, kanina XXL. So, tingnan pa natin guys. Fifth hole,
Sa akin yan.
Lulu and Stitch guys. Lilo pala, Lilo.
Lulu and Stitch.
Lulu and Stitch? I don't know guys.
Ang laki eh.
Long sleeve siya guys, pero small siya pero it looks big. It looks wide. Pero tingnan natin kung sixth hole guys. Uy, mukhang medyo malaki guys ha.
Sa'yo yan.
Sa akin daw to guys. Mayroon pala tayo dito guys eh. Hoodie guys, na manipis guys, pero size niya is medium. Hindi natin alam kung puputok tayo dito o hindi. Tingnan natin guys, pero yan, ang nakalagay sa harap, basahin nyo na lang guys, kasi it's French.
Hindi mo kasya yan?
No.
Malalaki yung size
Seventh
nila.
hole.
No?
Hole. Looks like a type of sweater. Oh guys, it's Snoop Dogg, tingnan nyo. Nagtitrip po. Pero ito na yung pang 7th hole natin. Refuge. It's a little smaller to me, so it's probably not mine. Pero yan, Miami Track and Field Club. It's a black sweater. This is a medium.
Small lang ako, no?
8th hole, guys. So it's a type of t-shirt, I think. The size is XL.
Sa'yo yan.
Yan, guys. Tokyo State. Sa akin
Kasya
lang
mo
to,
yan,
guys.
diba?
We'll see, guys. Mamaya yung sukatan natin kasi alam niyo naman, kakain pa tayo, baka hindi magkasya.
My God, ang lalaki.
So type of sweater hoodie.
Sa akin yan eh. Ba't ang laki
Yan,
niya?
galing Urban Planet, guys.
Pa-edit ko na lang sa mga manibogs.
The size is a large. It's a sweater. This
Laki
is
niya.
not mine. Hindi siya malaki, malapad. So baka yung mga pinagbibili mo eh, yung pang white body. Uy, diba?
No.
Hindi mo sasuot yan, hindi na-edit.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kung ano natin
Uy,
bibigyan.
like mo lang. 10th hole, guys. Uy, mukhang maganda to, guys. It's a large.
Hindi mo kasya, no?
I don't know.
Tingnan mo, kasya mo.
Yeah, t-shirt siya, guys. May letra-letra siya sa t-shirt, pero mamaya na yung sukatan. 11th hole, Boston. And guys, t-shirt ulit. Na large ulit guys. Para makita nyo yung comparison guys, ito yung large nila. Ito ako. Malapad siya guys, hindi ko lang alam kung okay yung length.
Baka crop top.
Baka mag-crop top sa akin, mukha akong Winnie the Pooh guys. Pero yan, Boston, shoutout nga pala kay Pops sa Boston dyan, no? AJ Boston guys. 12th hole.
Binibilang mo.
Parang makita natin kung ilan yung total. Kahit nandun sa resibo. Sa resibo, pwede ba? Nakuha natin.
Yan sa akin sana yun eh, kaso parang malaki. Oo, laki.
Siguro kasi sa akin.
Ano size niyan?
Putang ina yan. Ano ba ito, Duster?
Anong size niyan?
Guys, XL lang to guys.
O yan, sure na yan sa'yo?
I think, yeah. XL lang siya guys, but kung mamimili man kayo, yeah.
Downsize.
Try to downsize kasi yung iba sobrang laki yata guys. Dapat pa sinabi natin galing Urban Planet. Sabi dito sponsored.
Ang dami ko.
13th hole guys. It's a sweater again for a Duster guys. It's one of them. Printed siya back in the front.
Pang babae ba?
Be kind, refuge the top, large. I think it's, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung pambabae o panlalaki guys, but kung pang nababae ito na large, it's way too big. Yan guys. 14th guys. Kapalang mo sa labas guys. Alis pa tayo mamaya. Oy. Cute Society of Troublemakers. Yan. Yan siya guys. I don't think this is mine.
Yan, pang walking ko yan.
Pang walking daw guys. Puta na idana. Saan pa kayo guys? So yeah. Walking pants guys. Walking pants. Cute Society of
Okay.
Troublemakers guys. It's a medium.
Yan, kasya ko yan, no?
Siguro. Guys, ang dami guys. So, take lang tayo ng 1 minute short break guys. I'll see you soon.
Yan.
So guys, back at it again guys, with another video. I lost count. I think this is the 15th. And sweater type again.
Di ba na nag-Shane haul tayo? Yan din natin suot mo.
Guys, tignan nyo na lang yung video namin nung nag-haul kami sa Shane din. Naka-t-shirt ako.
Oo, not good.
Baka ito lang din yung suot ko nun, pero tingnan natin guys. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa damit guys, mahilig ako sa electronics. Kaya hindi ako namimili ng damit masyado. Ito guys, hindi ko alam kung kanino to.
Sa akin dapat.
Pero the size is large. It's a pants similar to the other one, the white one. Pili nyo na lang dito. Lagi mo na yung white. Tapos yan guys, yan yung large siya guys. Tapos yung babae daw. Sobra na sa akin guys, tingnan nyo naman. Pero tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari.
Walang mat ba?
Hmm.
Ayun. Tulog. Kailangan ko na mag-let go ng ibang damit.
16th. Narinig nyo yun guys, may proof. Let go daw ng damit guys. Punong-puno na kasi yung dryer namin guys. Pag may oras mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ako puno. Hindi pala dryer guys, yung closet pala namin. XL guys yung size, t-shirt siya. New York. Statue of Liberty is there. Ayan guys, XL. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Ito naman yung comparison ng XL guys. Kanina yung large. Ito XL ngayon guys. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung kanino to, pero baka sa akin na lang.
Kasya ba ni Daddy?
Down to our 17th and there's still many more. Sweater guys. Uy, maganda yung tsura niya guys. It's a Detroit All Sports League. Printed front and back.
Pang babae ba?
It says Detroit. Pero para maging kompleto, kailangan nandito yung sleeves. Para mag-Detroit.
Pang babae ba?
Hindi ko alam. Urban Man.
Oo.
Small yung size guys, so most likely pang regalo to kasi hindi naman siya sa akin to. Bigyan natin kayo.
Kasya niyo.
So guys, another t-shirt. This bag is not a toy. So make sure you recycle them properly guys if you end up buying a lot. Meron siyang flower na print sa harap, and that's it. Yan, XL yung size guys. It's, I don't know what the color is, pink or purple, whatever. But yeah, yan ang XL guys. Yan, this is our 18th. 18th guys. Another New York, different color, size XL.
Ay, maganda yan.
May nagandaan siya guys. Mukha siya sa ito.
Ay, loko naman.
Manhattan, Brooklyn.
Ano size?
Size is XL guys. Yeah.
Sa'yo na yan, maganda yan.
Sa'yo na?
Sa'yo.
Oo. Sa akin daw to guys. Yay. Yan. Yun ang XL guys. Malambot yung tela niya. Manipis nga lang. So kung malamig yan, babakat guys. Pero okay lang. Ito guys. Small yung size. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya small. Ito mo kasi. Guys, ito small siya. Iba-iba yung size niya guys. Small, large. Pero ito small. Mukhang small talaga. Kay Mrs. daw to guys. Pero Urban Man. Pero all good guys. Yan. 20th hole guys. This is a champion? Probably not. The 20th hole for today is this t-shirt. Maganda yung kulay ng t-shirt guys. Size is large. Champs print. Walang print sa likod. It's a little big. Pero I suggest na mag-downsize kay guys kung bibili kayo kasi it looks big. But we'll see later. 21st hole is a pink, purple hoodie.
Sa kanya. Yan, mukhang maliit naman.
Mukhang cropped up to guys. So hindi to sa akin. Size is medium. Yan. No print. Just a simple hoodie. Walang print front back. Yan, mukhang crop top guys, pero mukhang kasya naman. Yan, hoodie, it's a small. Oh, this is a medium. There you go. 22nd hole guys. Some kind of pants. Baka pang jogging ulit to guys. Yan.
Yeah, pang jogging.
Medium, this is a medium guys. Ganda yung tsura niya guys, simple pero thick. So kung malamig sa labas, pwede kayong pwede susuotin guys.
Pang shovel ko yan.
Pang shovel daw guys. Yan. Our 23rd haul of day.
Pants ulit.
Pants ulit guys, medium. It's black. It has pockets and that's it. No print. It's a jogger pants. Yan. Black and it's a medium. Baka makakabor natin ito guys kasi gusto natin yung dark colors.
Kasya mo ba yan?
Kasi yung garter mo. 24th. Hole number 24. Lots of prints on this one guys. There's a car. It's probably mine. G-Force. Again, lahat to guys galing Urban Planet. Size is double XL. Yeah, this might fit me guys. Ito siguro okay. Hindi ko na alam kung true to size pero we'll see. Yan. Dami pa guys, just so you know. This is our 25th. XL mo ang akin to guys.
Yan yung pants.
It's a type of pants. Ano tawag dito?
Huh?
Cargo.
See?
Oy, ito guys, mo ayoko talaga ang lapad ng mga soba. Cargo pants guys, sobrang lapad guys.
Hindi mo kasya yan?
Kasi may tali naman siguro. Huwag na natin, mo lang naman. Pero yan, cargo pants guys, yan, pang lalaki. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kalapad sa akin mamaya guys. Pero yan, cargo pants. This is a XL size. Shit, ano naman to?
26?
This is our 26th guys, or 27th hole, I don't know.
Yan, maganda yan.
It
Sana
has
kasya mo.
palm trees, coconut trees. Size is large.
Tayo ka nga, tingnan mo kung kasya mo.
No other print.
Kasya mo yan, no?
Maliit yung lapad.
Mm.
Yeah, ito siya guys, a t-shirt. Again, ito yung comparison guys. This is a large. Ayoko nang masyadong fit na damit guys, kaya gusto ko yung malalaki. Pero ito, this is a large and it's too fit for me. Okay, this is our 27. I'm getting tired guys. Pero all good. This is size XL. Not sure if this will fit, but it's got a good print. It says London.
Yan, kasya mo yan. Try mo.
Mukhang kashi guys. Tignan natin mamaya. Mine nyo lang mga sis. Yan. Mine 1, 2, 3 guys. Pero joke lang. Hindi siya pang to sell. Kung may regalo natin sa Pasko yung iba guys. 28 is a girl shirt. It says howdy. Yep, howdy Barbie guys. Its size is medium, but it looks a little smaller to a medium for a medium size.
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay lang daw siya guys, pero yeah, howdy Barbie. Yeah, ito siya medium, black, no print at the back.
Suotin ko na mamaya.
We are down to our last two guys.
Last na lang?
Yeah.
Alam
This
ko
one is
34 dapat yun.
It's a type of sweater. Yan guys.
Oh
Maliit
no,
to, guys.
crop top.
Crop, hindi sa'yo siguro hindi. Crop top
Oo.
sa'yo. Bigyan mo dyan. Okay, sorry. It says Paris. This might be a little small, tas wala siya. Ayun, may tag siya. It's a small guys. Yan. Hindi natin alam kung gaano small to guys, pero magsusuot tayo mamaya. Hindi sa akin to guys, just so you know. Yeah, it's long sleeve. It says Paris, no print at the back.
Last na yan?
Down to our last. I think this is the 32nd. Hole number 32. It's a medium-sized pants.
Yung mga pants kasya
Some
mo.
jogger pants. Huwag daw ako mamimili ng ganito yung dulo guys, pero yung sa kanya, puro ganyan yung binili niya guys. Pero yan, it's a medium. Yung mga pants ata, goods yung sizes nila, pero the t-shirts we'll see later. Ayan guys, it's a brown, maroon pants. Yeah, and yun na yung lahat ng haul natin guys, so sana nag-enjoy kayo. Mamaya magsusuot tayo ng iba, pero hindi lahat. Sina natin kung goods yung sizes nila guys. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Sana makabili din kayo sa inyo, pang regalo pang Pasko. And Merry Christmas.